Welcome to this video, a simple guide to modern electricity meters. We'll explore solid-state energy measurement and how digital technology accurately tracks your power use. We begin with Part 1, the modern shift. This is the transition from old mechanical disk meters to new, smart digital chips. Mechanical meters use a spinning disk and moving parts that wear out, becoming less accurate. Solid-state meters, however, use chips, have no moving parts, and stay very accurate for over 20 years. They also measure power instantly and can detect attempts at tampering. The process works in 3 steps. First, sensing. Sensors measure the voltage and current. Second, converting. Analog signals are changed into digital numbers. Third, calculating. A fast computer chip uses math to find the total energy used. For sensing, most homes use a small, precise piece of metal called the shunt resistor. As electricity passes through it, a tiny measurable voltage is created to calculate the current. It is simple, cheap, and very reliable. For larger power needs, like big buildings or factories, a current transformer or CT is used. The wire goes through a donut-shaped magnet, which offers safety by avoiding contact with high-voltage wires, high capacity, and isolation for the meter's electronics. An advanced method is the Hall effect sensor. It detects the magnetic field created by electricity without physical contact. It measures both AC and DC, making it perfect for modern smart homes, solar panels, and electric car chargers. The conversion step involves turning waves into data. Electricity flows like a wave, and the analog to digital converter, or ADC, takes thousands of snapshots every second. This transforms physical waves into digital data the microchip can understand. The faster the ADC, the more accurate the meter is. Accuracy is everything. Solid-state meters offer superior precision. They detect very low power usage that old mechanical meters, which were only about 95% accurate, would often miss. Here is the full signal journey. It starts with the inputs, which are home voltage and current, measured by shunt or CT sensors. The ADC converts these waves to numbers, and the chip performs the math calculation to produce the final kilowatt-hour reading on the display. Solid-state meters are better because they are extremely accurate, have long life with no moving parts, and offer anti-tamper security. They also include smart features like automatic reading transmission, aid in energy saving, and have a compact size.